Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to draw mother learning new things to teach her child. Material required for this are basic stationery, brushstroke fine liner. If you don't have brushstroke fine liner, you can use normal black pen also. And at last, we require soft pastels. If you don't have soft pastels, you can use pencil color for filling the background. Before starting it, subscribe the channel and don't forget to watch the video till end to learn it step by step. Now first we will make the background of our scenery. So here I am using different shade and then I will blend it. You can use pencil colors for this also. Now with the help of brushstroke fine liner, we will draw the base of our scenery. If you don't have brushstroke fine liner, you can use normal black pen and even sketch pen too. If you are a beginner, you can draw first it by pencil, then you can highlight it with the help of black pen. As we are providing certificate for the series of Mother's Day Ballabhi, do check out the description box for details. Don't forget to like the video if you have learned something new and comment your feedback in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you will not miss our upcoming next video of this series.